Let's turn $102.44 into $1,000 using one strategy only. So I'm gonna go to ai.moneyhg.com, just log in and look for rise and fall. This is all I need. Then I'm gonna close the sidebar. So you can see my balance here. So this is an account that I use for trading. So on the trading view chart, I just need three things. This is a market. So on Deriv, which is the market there, I don't trade index markets. I only trade volatilities that have this one S because they're a bit faster. Then on the time frame, change this to 1 minute. And then on indicators, I need mark day. I need William Fractal, and I need MA. Did I remove it or I place it twice? Okay, I put it twice, so I'm just gonna remove one of them. And that's it. So let's come to this other side. So remember, the same trade you have here should be the same that you select here. Select market, rise only. If it's rise, put rise only. If it's fall, put fall only. Ticks, I'll use one tick. My stake will be 2. Stake will be 1, 2. Yeah, I just want to use 2. A martingale of 2. So if I lose 2, it's gonna trade with 4. If I lose 4, it's gonna trade with 8. That's it. And then if I'm trading with 2, the take profit I can put, so 2 will give me 1.85. 1.85 times 3 times. You can say 1 times 3. That's $3. So we're gonna do this until we are able to make 1,000. We're gonna go increasing the stake. Then I just put a huge stop loss that the trades are not stopped. So start trading, stop trading, no trades taken yet, and the transactions are gonna come here. So this is not a good market, and also I'm gonna right click and put countdown to bar close so that I know when the candlestick is opening or closing. So what I'm looking for is a join on these two lines and then an uptrend and a fractal. That's the only time I'm gonna trade, because this is a small account and there's no need to risk huge money. So let's see, 25 index, 25 1S, nice. So come quickly, 25 25 1S. And this is alright. Let's go. So we just need 3 trades. So the first one is a loss. The second one is a win. And then it stopped. So you can see the good thing with trading like this is my trades are taken quite quickly. So you can see I noticed here this has joined, and then there was this uptrend here, and then you can see the candlesticks kept going up. So in 3 trades, I won 2, I lost 1. I made my $3. So we reset. We are now at, I think my balance has not refreshed. We can use Deriv to check here. I don't know why my balance has not refreshed, but I don't want to refresh the page, because if I refresh the page, it's gonna cause me to lose the indicators, which I don't want. So this market has changed. So I'm only trading on those 3 things. Let's check 50 index. So this has not yet happened. Sometimes you can wait for the market. Other times, because there are a few markets, you just keep moving. Like this is about to be a downtrend, 75 1S. Let's wait out for this one. So you can see the fractal here, and then there was a downtrend, is below the moving average, so might turn and go up, but let's say. So I'm just waiting for, as long as these two lines have not joined, bro, I'm not taking a trade. So I need a clear trend. So remember, this is a fall. That candle is on 48 seconds. So sometimes you might think it's gonna go down, then it doesn't change. So you just leave it. Yeah, like this one has gone up. But let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. The secret with trading is just patience. Nothing else. Patience. 18 seconds. 15 seconds. Yeah, you see, the market has started going down, and this fractal here will disappear once we have a clear trend. That's it. Let's go. So we have put fall. Let's see how our trades go. So because of the okay, that's the second one. Wait, oh, it's two trades. I didn't notice that. So this one was just two trades. So you can see 75 on S fall. It started at 68.01, ended at 6800. $2, 1.69, and then the second trade 1.69. So currently we just hit $8. So if you're someone who just trades every day to get a few, like $10 or $8 or $5, right now you could have already withdrawn your money. Okay, let's see if this strong fall continues, and then we can take more trades. Let's see where the next goes. Let's go. So that we lost that one. Let's say, then if we make this last one, I think this market is turning, so I need to, yeah, there's a turning market. I need to stop it. I stopped it late, but it still made a profit. So one thing you have to understand with AI.money.gg is it's super fast, because we don't use what Deriv uses. So for instance, Deriv delays their calls so that they give, so that it takes time for your call to get to the server. So if it takes time, they ensure that they put leverage on their side, so it's more easier for them. That's why you hear the house always wins. And as you can see, most developers have taken Deriv application code, because Deriv gives it, and then they're selling that to you and telling you this is my own site. It's bullshit. It's not their own site. Deriv provides that for anyone to use. So I would recommend ai.money.gg.com. I'm not saying don't use the others, but as you can see, it's pretty fast. Your calls are going to be going through and through. So I think this is going to be a rise now. Let's put rise. If you put both, you're expecting both to go up. So let's just wait. 75 on S, rise only one tick, martingale of 2, stake of 2, stop loss of 1000, and take profit of 3. So we just wait. And remember, our balance has changed. We're now on 112, and you're only trading one strategy. This is MACD. Normal settings for MACD. William Fractal, moving average. We just wait for these two lines to join. We wait for the fractal, and we wait for a movement upwards. So if you don't see it clearly, don't enter. If you see it clearly, enter. So the secret for any trading is just patience, and then never enter when the candle is starting. Always give the momentum time to see if it's moving up, it's going down. Remember, this is synthetics, this is computer generated, this is not like Forex, where somebody is putting orders here and causing the market to go up. No, this is computer generated. These are random numbers, but we are able to identify patterns on it, and those patterns is what we use to trade. So this doesn't seem like clear one, so I think we move. Yeah, let's just find another one. So the key is patience. The key is patience. So like this one, if you entered here, this would have been a good time to enter here, but then we can't enter there. So let's just wait for this one to play out, and then we look for another market. So if you're trading on Deriv or any other platform, the aim for you should be like to protect your capital at all costs. I was on 75, 100 1S, or yeah, I was on 100 1S. I don't think this is gonna turn together, so let's start moving back up. So I could trade with $20, but for you that will not be realistic, because there's no need for you to have $100 account. You trade with $20. If you lose, you blow that account. Instead, you'd rather protect that money as much as possible and take as many trades as possible, and that will keep you going longer, because the aim for any trading is a consistent win. Consistent wins. Make sure you have consistent wins. So you win today, 100 tomorrow, 100 tomorrow, 100. At the end of the week, you have 500. So make sure you are consistent. So for me, I'm just sharing how I take my trades here, and ensuring that I share as much as possible. Let me move to 10-1s, and always make sure to move. I've seen people who you select a market here, and then the market you've selected here is different, and you end up you've analyzed something else, you're trading something else. Like this one, we missed it. If we had found it somewhere like here, we would have entered, but there the rise has gone too far. So let's just wait. This 51s, this one has also moved, so there's no hurry. It doesn't take you an hour, but you make money. Okay, well, I was on 51s. Let's see if we can get 25-1s. So you can easily find these trades. You can easily find these trades if you're patient enough, and then also do not like be too worried. Yes, I know it's real money. It's real money, and sometimes there are losses, but you have to leverage on ensuring that most times you are accurate. Yeah, man. So let's just wait, and then this analysis tool here just takes the tick range, the last three ticks. It tells us if it's a rise or if it's a fall. Like, because sometimes on indices you see this bar may be green, but the market may have shot up, then starts going down. So the dynamics you need to understand when you're trading these synthetics. 75 on S. So I have we missed this. 75 on S. You could actually sit on one market and just wait. To see it play out. So let's see on I don't like going beyond the fourth MACD candle. Like right now you see it's changing, so let's just see. Let's see where the next candle goes. If it's still strong, we enter. But if you start seeing wicks like this one, rise means it started here, it has gone up, but it's getting pushed down. Let's see. And then the fractal appeared there. Let's see. Let's strong rise. Let's go. So sometimes you hedge the calls. Let's say. So we already took 2 trades and their wins. So you could go doing this over and over. Yes, you're gonna lose some, but most of them you're gonna win top, because the closer your stop loss, the sooner it's gonna get hit. So if I was using a stake like 10, a 10 and a martingale of 2, it will still be the same. 2 trades, take 2 trades. Yeah, so we took those ones. We can go to Deriv here. We have 116 so far. Okay. Yeah, this is a good fall. I don't like going on with a trend after these. I like it entering on 1, 2, the third one. The fourth, fifth, it might turn on you very badly. Okay. So let's see. We can move to another market. 101S. We have not seen any trade from 101S. So let's see. It seems like no need to go on to 101S. Let's start at the top again. 101S. If I don't see the adjoining here, like here, we would have entered here. I started rising. But nope. 25 on S. Nope. Sometimes if you don't find it, I just accept that there's no trade. Never force it. Like we all have to take a trade. Nah. Protect whatever is in your account with everything you have. And then once it's the chance to make money, make money. So if I had a larger account, I would have taken larger trades. But for me, I'm big on risk management. I don't lie to you, like go take some stupid trades. Yeah, this is a good time. Let's see. So we are only expecting in 2 trades. It's supposed to take 2 trades. So we lost the first one. We won the second one. So you can see the downtrend, and I entered at I think 30, and you can see. So we have hit the TP again. So I'll keep explaining this. Put a tight, take profit. Put a stake that is not risking your account, and then put martingale if you need it. If you are a total beginner and you don't understand how to trade, put one on martingale. If you put one here, it's not going to multiply. For example, if I lost 2, this would be a trade with 2, and this would also be a trade with 2. But because I put 2 here, because I put 2 here, that's why you see I lost 2. It takes a trade with 4, and then takes a trade with 2. So what you have to understand is that martingale factor can also make you lose your account very fast, because if you lose three consecutive times, you you find that you are your account may be blown, and what we are aiming for is protecting that money. Okay, so we start at the top again, then we click reset here, and then you just see bars. You don't see these are joining here. Just run, just leave it. Let's see. No, this may be a downtrend coming, but it's not clear, so we leave it. 51S. Nope. And you can also see the market has been going down and down and down, so I'll be coming up. But there's nothing. And remember, this rise and fall is controlled by this side. It's not controlled by the chart. So you need to understand that. That's why it's always nice when you change the market, you also change this, because this is what changes this. So you see if they are aligning. Like for example, somebody may come here and be like, yo, I can enter this fall trade. But for me, I'm showing you a strategy that will protect your money as much as possible. Yes, you could enter, but there's no need. Just wait for those clear entries. 100 on S. Sometimes you could even stick with one market and just wait for that one market. Like this is 101 S. Let's go to 101 S. It doesn't seem like it will turn very quickly, so we go back up. Nope. 25 on S. So you can see I'm doing a very simple thing. I'm just being patient here. 25 on S, 50 on S. If there's no market, and we just keep going, just switching them. Somebody may ask me, why don't I just pick this 10 index? For me, I find them very slow, and we're looking for quick changes in the candlesticks. So quick changes give us a quick time, and they also ensure that we are able to make our money quickly, because if you put index, you'd rather put 2 ticks here, because also the subscribe or the ticks take time to come. So these ticks that you're seeing here are these ticks. It's a third tick. On index markets is usually this, the third one here. If you go to 1S, let me just show you. If you go to 1S, is usually the second digit after the decimal. So that is usually the pip size. And then for index markets, it's a third digit. So if you go to Deriv and you look at the circles, you're going to be able to see that. 25 on S, 25 on S. There's no clear entry. You could actually change here, but I don't want to change. It be 2 minutes, but I don't want the 2 minutes. Just want it at 1. 25 on S. Nothing. 51 S. So you can come here, sit here, like dudes who have time, bro. Like there's nothing else you're doing. You're just like in the house. You have a few dollars that you have deposited via money.money.gg.com. You just come here and spend your time looking for entries. Like this market has been on a downtrend. So up here, just keep coming and coming and coming. Okay, let's wait. If it's a fall, it's a fall. So at 28, but you can see I'm only entering when I see MACD at the join. So they must join here. as in the blue must come cut across the orange if it's a downfall, and then if it's a rise, it's gonna do the opposite. So the trick for you is just patience. There's nothing else. There is really nothing else you can do. And also just risk management. You can say I have $100 account and I'm using $2 to trade. I think it's time for only one. Let's just wait. I like entering on the second tick. Yeah, because you can see that it started reversing. It's 1 minute, so this will go up to 1 minute. So this 0.35 will go up to 1 minute. All right, this is 51s, 51s. So the reason rise and fall this analysis changes that quickly is because it's looking at just the last three ticks. So if, for example, the first tick is 4 and then 3 and then 7, it means it rose, it fell, it rose. Like now you see, if I entered the fall, we probably would have lost. So that's why we wait. Yeah, let's see. So we only need 2 wins to make our profit. So we lost the first one. Yeah, it seems like it's turning. We lost again. Brother. Let's see. Let's see. This is the last one. And then I stop it. I think for some reason I'm stopping late for this one. And you can see I lost some money. So let's analyze where we lost some money here, because we lost 1.27 because we went 4 losses, and then it recovered on the fifth one. So no, this should be a fall. It's 3 candlesticks, but this is a doji, and then it's turning up. Yeah, it wasn't a strong fall, but it's okay. Just look at, we're at 117. All right, this top balance should be refreshing here, but for some reason it doesn't seem to refresh. But we're gonna check that out sometime later. I think we had not noticed that while we were creating the software, but always know these should tell you. Once we are done, we're gonna refresh the balance, and you're gonna see that the money is actually going to my account. So people don't say, yo, it's adding up some money to his account. Let's see. If this turns into a strong rise, we trade the strong rise. Also, if there is somebody who, just a moment, let's see this trade. I'll wait for the next candle. If it's a good rise, we go with good rise. Good rise. Patience, my brother. Patience. Patience, patience, patience. Also, what I wanted to ask is anyone else struggling with that start and stop? Because we use APIs and not the UI directly, the speed of our website is very quick, and you can also see even me, an experienced trader, still facing an issue with ensuring that I stop the trades when I'm supposed to stop them. So I usually mainly rely on my take profit, and I think I'm gonna put 3 as a stake here, and then put 4. Yeah, so I just gradually increase my stake, don't like bump it once. So we have made $17 so far. I'm just waiting to see If this is a strong rise, if it's a strong rise, we're gonna take the trade. So I'm gonna talk to our developers, and we'll see how we can be able to allow somebody to just stop the trade. But the issue is, once the trade is sent to Deriv's end, there's no way of bringing it back. So if it's gone, it's gone. So just need to find a way, because we can't pause trades in between. Once it's gone, it's gone. Yeah, but let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's see. How come that was a loss and that market is going up? You can see 4.61 has been reached. So 51s rise. This one we lost because you can see 122, 109. So it went down. 134, 144 went up. 181, 183 went up. So we made our money there. Reset. Let's see if this is another rise. So you can see there is always a change in direction in between. That's why I always enter in a first, in the second or third. Mark the histogram. These are histograms. So it's very, very simple. You just need to be quick with your timing, the timing of the trades. I'm convinced this is gonna go up. I just don't want to enter the wrong time. Convinced, conviction. Conviction. And that candle has 2 seconds to go. Let's see. Nah. Nope. Time to leave you, buddy. 10 on S. Put 10 on S. Let's see what's happening here. Downtrend. Okay. Fall. Let's wait here as we have stories. So you can also tell me on the comment section, what is the lie that your mentors are telling you these days? The one that was common was, you need a good mentor to make money. A good robot, a mentor, and some good capital, bro. Just learn the skills. If you can flip 100 to even 300 consistently, at some point you're gonna get now the huge capital. And huge capital means uh take larger trades or riskier trades. And riskier trades means more money. Like with the number of wins we have had, if it was $1,000 account, we would be very far. But we don't have $1,000 right now. We have $100. We have $122. So we started at $20, and this is like we started at $100. So, and this is like the 20th or 30th minute. So we are making like $1 every minute. That's good, man. But if you could make $1 every minute of your life, if you're told we can allow you to make $1 every minute of your life, or you be given $10 million, what would you pick? For me, I'm taking $1 every minute, brother. If you say $1 every minute, that means in an hour I have $60, right? In 12 hours I have 720. It's still not a lot of money. I don't want to miss this as I give stories here. It's at 33 seconds, 30 seconds, 29 seconds. Let's go. So we only need 2 wins and then we hit our TP just like that. That was a good one. At least we didn't face a loss there. But you see, I waited for this to join here, and then I waited for this second candle. I waited for 30 seconds to see the direction of this candle, and then the fractal was also showing there. So that was a good, perfect, clean one. And let's see if we can still go with it here. That's of 40 seconds, 39 seconds, 37 seconds, 35, 33. Let's say. So if you see a strong downtrend, you're always in luck. You see like a strong downtrend is happening. Like that one, we were lucky to have two strong downtrends. Two strong downtrends, and we took two good trades, two good trade setups. We made $10, so we are 132. Slowly by slowly. If this was all I was supposed to do for my life, I would spend the whole day here. Because just imagine how much more money can you make if you just wait for this to join either an uptrend or a downtrend. For an uptrend, strong rise histograms. For downtrend, strong red histograms. Enter on the second or third one, not the fifth or sixth. Don't enter when the momentum has gone and gone and gone. Remember, this is computer generated. This is not Forex. Okay. So let's do this. Let's move. Let's turn on S. 25 on S and put 25 on S here. And always remember strategy here. Don't analyze a fall and then you put a rise here, or you put both. So 25 on S, 50 on S. If you don't see that joining, don't like pressure yourself or force it. I need this to be a fall. This is 75 on S. So this, as you can see, this is not really a clear one, right? They didn't even join. Don't there. Just leave it. Just be like, okay. Just be like, yes. All right. Yeah. Until they really join, don't force it. 101S. Let's see. Where's the market been? What has it been doing? It's my God. 101S. Let's say 101S. This fall only. Now this turning. So that candle is at 37 seconds. 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 26. Yeah, 21. So you can see this is a moving average, and then this is our MACD here. So you can see the fractal is showing the other direction, so it's also not a good place to enter. So if it's 100 now, we need to move to 10 on us. Don't worry about my balance. I'm gonna refresh this. It should be refreshing itself, but I think somebody on our team made a mess somewhere. So like this one, if you caught it here, would have been a nice one, but we didn't, so we're not gonna force it. Is it 25? Yeah, let's move to 25. 25 is rise. If you can patiently make money, like for example, if you put 30 minutes of your time every day and you wanted $20 every day, you can do this. $20 every day. We've already made 30, I think. Yeah, we've already made 30. If you decided every day you look for an hour of your time and just sit here, put MACD, moving average, William Fractal, and then just start trading, you'd make money, bro. $30 a day. Let me just show you how $30 is a good amount. Yes, based on what you're seeing on social media, $30 may be little amount. But think of it this way. You trade for 20 days a month and you make, no, if you trade for 25 days a month, you lose for 5 days, you have a stop loss. Whichever amount you think is the most you can bear losing, and then you win for 20 straight days. $30 each day. It's $600 in Kenyan money. That's about 60 something k, bro. If you look at statistics, less than 10% of Kenyans are paid more than 50k. So if this month you 50k, next month you make 50k. After 6 months, you can be able to use. You can be able to put uh, the amount you're willing to risk to 100k by the fourth, fifth month. And then by the end of the year, you can even go to 300, 200 because you're already making money consistently. But if you don't make money consistently, you will never feel the sweetness and the greatness of trading. Greatness of trading is in consistent profit, not one huge profit and then losses throughout the year. No, consistent profit rise. Let's see, this candle is ending, so I want to see what the next one does. Yeah, it's not a consolidation, so we are hoping for two straight wins. So we lost the first one, and also sometimes you might see the candle is green, but you're losing on this end. So what may happen is, like for example, this green candle, if you noticed when we lost, what happened was, yes, it's green, it went up, then it went down. So if you enter, even if it's a rise, for you it will fall. So the the key is on the entries. So before we talk too much, let's see. I've delayed. This was a nice rise. And I also looked, I saw there was a strong downtrend here. So I was like, and then the consolidation here. Consolidation is like the market is at the same place. If you look at it, it's just up, down, but in the same area. Let's see. You see why I don't like going in on above the third candle. Like now, see what it's doing. See, just see. Bruh. Hey, sometimes, man, sometimes trading can be funny, but it's an amazing trade. Yeah, I want to sit here for like an hour, just taking these trades. Like this one's about to turn. I need entire 75 1s, 100 1s. Never forget to change your market this other end, because if you don't, like this is a fall, yes, we could enter, but just see, this is where it joined and the fractal short, but then there was a lot of change and then now the downfall is coming here. Yes, you could enter. There are times I used to take these trades a lot, but these days I'm just like, bro, I'm here to make money, not to lose money. Sometimes you lose and you feel like crying. So let's see. This bite light 10 on S, 25 on S. If you've been here long enough, you understand what I'm looking for. Once we see it, let's sit here and wait for this one, like just fall. So let's just wait for this one here. So once they join here and we see like let's say okay, I could go down further. Let's wait. And also something else you need to understand with the 1 minute, because you can see I'm using 1 minute time frame, is there can be a lot of fake outs and noise. Let's go in. There can be a lot of fake outs and noise on the 1 minute, because that minute fluctuates a lot. So you might be like there thinking you're making money. Like right now, see, you can see it's a downtrend, but I've lost $21. You see, so $24. Let's see if we get a recovery, we stop it. So this thing we're gonna have to sort it out for everyone, how we stop the trades, because like that was like a good downtrend, but we still, you see how many losses we went: 3, 6, 12, 24, and then if we lost here we would be fucked. So we're back to below 30 by school. So now just imagine this: if I had $100 account and I was using 20, this would be 20, this would be 40, this would be 60, this would be 120, this would be 240. That account would be gone, because already from here to here you've already lost that amount. So because it's computer generated, there are those quick changes, right? And those quick changes can cause you to miss a trade, because like now, see, this is 515, this is 522, this is 524, this is 537, it's close 513, 518, 507, 518. It's just close movement, it's just going down, up, down, up, down, up. That's why we are losing. 524, then it falls 498, and that's why we recover. So what are you gonna do? Because of the speed of the API, we're gonna find a way you can send any recommendation that you have to ensure that this extra trade is not taken. Sometimes you are very lucky, once this one comes, you're able to stop immediately and the next trade is not taken, but that's not a guarantee. So let's continue with our journey. 75 on S. Are we up or are we down? This has that's a hammer, bro. 75 on S. Fall only. Let's go in. Let's see. This is starting to turn. Yeah. So that was stopped by the TP. So sometimes you can, and that's one thing that Deriv really understands. Getting a hold of you when, like, you can see the clear movement, but then because it's randomized numbers, that's why they are very like sure. They know, like, they'll always make profits, because a large number of people just come here and trade haphazardly. You're looking at any conditions. Let's see. This should be a good fall unless it turns on us, but the fractal is on the wrong end. These are trades I avoid, but I'm expecting this fractal will move from there, because basically this star here, you see it moved from there. So I'll say, uh, wait, that was not, no. I should stop this. What happened? Let's see. So it's 12. Okay. We entered here when the fractal disappeared. It went down, but there was a change in direction a bit, and then I started continuously moving down. So 3. Mm, mm. So we lost this one. We lost this one. We recovered here. So we were just waiting for one more. We lost that, and then we recovered here. Yeah, I think my eyes are hurting. $139.96. So today I just wanted to explain how this strategy works. Like, my aim for me was to take this from 100 all the way to 1000, but I'm a bit it's been a long week. I work even on Saturdays, so I have like a 9 to 5 where we just write code for other people who also pay us just as much as Deriv pays us. So I just wanted to like bring this strategy clear to your end, guys. You can see the win percentages and the loss percentages. Sometimes we cut our losses, other times we just let it slide. So you can see, just look for three things. Let me look for text here. Sorry. Okay. So look for three things. One, MACD crossing. Two, a fractal. Three, enter on second or third MACD histogram. Sorry, histogram. Those are the three conditions I've been using since we started making these trades. So if you can be able to follow this strictly, don't enter just because if you've not seen this joining and you're not seeing like these strong candles, don't enter. Like for this one, it was a fall, and also you can have a fractal there that shows the downward movement or the upward movement, and also always be taking a look at the trend of the market. Like you can see, moved up, moved down. This is a consolidation. Seems like it's gonna go down a bit more. So I hope I've taught you something today, and I've also showed you a tool that can help you make some money. So see you on the next one. Let me know which strategy you'd like to learn, or which strategy you'd like developers to add here. And I would also say I would change this so that we see my correct balance. So you can see 139.96. So I wasn't adding up money for myself or reducing. It just isn't loading there for some reason, but we're gonna check it out. So you just come here on the chart, add your indicators, select your time frame, select your trade, and all the best. Make some money. I'm gonna withdraw this 39.96 and use it to chop for the weekend. Have a great time, and for your deposits and withdrawals, make sure to go to money.myagg.com. So money.myagg.com is a place to be. We're gonna work as hard as possible to make sure this year we make you guys wealthy by giving you tools that will assist you in your trades. This is just the manual side where you can click defer matches, well, or whichever you like. And we also have a good analysis to get digit match there. So it's been a pleasure walking you through. we made $39.96. I promise the next time we're gonna do 100 to 1,000. I just feel a bit off. See you around, guys. Bye bye.